Hey friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer, and I want movement to be available to everyone. So whether you're lying down in bed or you need to remain lying down in bed for medical reasons, I got you with this workout. Make sure that you consult your healthcare provider before starting these exercises, and let's go ahead and lay down if you aren't already. We're gonna start with a movement called ankle cars. So lift your foot up either on a pillow or on your other knee, and we're starting to roll our ankle around in a big circle. But this is not just like any old casual ankle circle. This is a serious ankle car, which means we are bringing our toe into the furthest possible circle in every single direction. Let's reverse, go in the other direction. I'm making a huge circle with my toe. My ankle is moving all around into every single nook and cranny. Let's do one more on this side and then we'll switch. Switch legs, prop out that other foot any way you'd like, and start making a huge circle with that other foot. When I'm doing this, I'm trying to flex my big toe up towards my knee, all the way out to the side, then the toe points down towards the floor, and then out to the other side. Let's switch directions. This might feel hard for you, and that's okay. It just means that it's good for you. It's like movement medicine. Let's finish up the circle that you're on, and then you can rest your legs in any position that's comfortable for you. Next up, let's free your hands. I'm just resting my elbows down on the surface beneath me. Squeeze your hands as hard as you can, and then open them up as wide as you can reach those fingers. Let's do that again. Squeezing as tight as you can, opening the fingers as wide as you can. So keep doing this. Imagining that when you're squeezing, you're trying to make something really, really small inside your hand. And then when you open the fingers, you're trying to reach out and extend some webbing on your hands as far as you can. Squeeze again and open those fingers. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Squeezing, I don't care if your thumb is inside or outside your fist. Opening as wide as you can. Last one, squeezing, reaching, and relax those hands back down to your side. I have a pillow behind my head. You can have a pillow or you can just be resting on a soft surface. Gently press the back of your head into the surface below you and then release. Press again and release. When I'm releasing, I'm not lifting my chin up towards the ceiling. I'm just letting it return back to neutral. So I'm pressing in 3, 2, 1, release. Pressing down 3, 2, 1, release. Keep going at that tempo, and you should be feeling this in the back of your neck, maybe in the back of your skull or the top of your upper back. Let's do 3 more of those holds. Keep pressing back. Chin goes straight down into your neck. And relax that neck. Next, feet should be flat on the surface below you. Knees are bent. Gently press your low back into the surface below you. You'll feel your pelvis tuck under, and holding that position, lift your hips up towards the ceiling and then lower them back down. Keep that pelvis tuck as we move through these glute bridges. Lift those hips back up again and bring them back down. Keep going at that tempo. We're going up and back down. And check in with your feet. Are you pressing evenly with your feet and your legs into the surface below you? Can you feel both of your legs starting to warm up, contract those muscles? Or do you notice that like one is working a little bit harder than the other? It's either way, it's okay, whatever your answer is, but try to adjust it so that they're working evenly. Let's do 2 more, and then you can relax those legs. 1 more. Good. Shake those legs out. If you need to, you can straighten them out. I lift my arms straight up towards the ceiling. I've got fingers extended here. Then I bring the elbows close by my rib cage to the surface below me, and I drive those elbows down into the surface, and then release. Reach the arms back up. Bring the elbows down, drive them down, reach the arms back up. Keep going at that tempo. As you're driving down, I want you to feel like the muscles in the back of your body are starting to tighten. You can also try squeezing your armpits as you drive those elbows down. Don't let those shoulders creep up to your ears. Let those relax. We're just driving those elbows into the surface below us to get some back muscle activation. Maybe feel like you're opening your chest up a bit. Let's do 2 more. Last one. And relax. My hands are going to stay down at my side. I'm going to bend both knees and bring them up off the floor so that my legs are in a tabletop. Remember, on our glute bridge, we pressed our lower back into the surface below us. Keep that connection of your back with the bed or the table below you, the table, massage table, floor. We're going to keep one foot in one place and then extend the other leg out. Bring that back to tabletop. Other leg goes out, back to tabletop. Now remember to breathe as you're doing this. And as I'm extending those legs, I'm remembering, push that lower back into the surface below you. Exhale. Inhale with that knee coming in. Let's do 1 more to each side. And bring those feet back down to the surface. Shake those legs out. Give yourself a little bit of a congratulations for moving your body today in a way that was accessible to you. You took care of yourself, and that is a win, and I hope that you thank yourself for doing that great job. I'm Natalie Carey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I've got other lying down workouts on my channel that you can check out. And I just thank you for being excellent to yourself today. Have a good one.